the Naga sadhus, even the clothes. In their nudity, matted hair and ash-smeared bodies, is manifest the historical continuity of a process that began in the 8th century. With the rise of new religions, constant invasions by proselytizing rulers, Hinduism was under threat. It was then that a visionary named Adi Shankaracharya started a movement by organizing the sadhus into Akharas, which were made responsible for protecting, preserving, and propagating Hinduism. Akharas comprised of two kinds of saints: Acharyas, who dedicated their lives to scriptures, and Nagas, who trained to be warriors. After fighting prolonged battles, Akharas won decisive victory for Hinduism. Although Hinduism reigns supreme in contemporary India, the Akharas have kept alive many of the centuries-old traditions. And in its most spectacular form by the Nagas. Still proclaiming themselves as the warrior saints, their entire lifestyle is designed such that they conquer the elements. And hashish smoking certainly helps.
एक रंग में रहना है, दुनिया सौ रंग में रहे.
Sadhus have to lead a life of single-minded devotion. It's a medicine to attain that. A medicine for meditation.
तब जब करने के लिए, भजन करने के लिए दवाई से.
In a country with stringent narcotic laws, millions of sadhus are given social and legal sanction to get high on hashish that is considered a gift from Lord Shiva, a member of the supreme trinity of the Hindu gods, and one who is considered destroyer of all evil.